coming?
Yeah.
And then there's a piece of paper. I didn't even hold it. I just tapped one button one time. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Erica Denise, and today's what? Oh, the beauty goddess. I'm like, what? So today's video is gonna be like a different type of video or whatever, because me and Bae got the new iPhones today. So literally just went to get something to eat. Not even gonna eat my food. Fuck that shit. I stay hungry. The little guy just knocked on the door. Already ready to set up for the video. What'd you say?
So that shit could be anywhere.
Should we scoot it further? Is this good? So we're about to get a brand deal by Nike and Beats or whatever.
Everybody loves these.
Okay, got the knife.
Got the box.
Stab this bitch open. Okay, we got pre-order. We pre-ordered the iPhone. I know it still came out like 2 days ago, but we didn't have to wait in no type of line. It just came to our front door.
We was late on the pre-order, so
yeah, I ordered it. I pre-ordered it one day before it was over.
You smell it?
Oh god. Oh, we got the same. We got the same iPhone, so.
Somebody's a copycat.
Nigga.
Oh, watch your mouth. Racial slurs. My goodness, I'm offended. I'm sorry.
Okay.
I'm sorry. My melanin is offended.
Oh boy. Oh my god. Okay. It still looks kind of rosy. You see it on the side? It's gold, but it's like rosy still. Oh my goodness. Okay. Right, thumbnail.
Yeah, it is.
Okay. I'm ready. This shit looks big as fuck, okay? Wait, I was like, where's my phone? I'm recording on it. So, I have the 7 Plus. I know I'm late. Jordan's got the 7 Plus and the 8 Plus. So, we ain't got no 10s around here to compare it to. So, that's what we're going to be comparing it to. Even though, yeah. They look big. You coming?
Yeah.
And then there's a piece of paper. Oh my god.
You ready?
Oh, they're big as hell.
Yeah.
Okay, I want to see the color.
It looks just like the last
one. It's rose gold.
I should have got the black one.
I'm sorry.
It always look white.
Oh shit.
I might have to switch. Nah, wait.
It does look white on camera. But they're rose gold, basically. Well, they're not as rosy as the last ones. I'm just gonna peel this bitch off.
What did they offer a pink color?
It just said gold. I didn't even hold it. I just tapped one button one time.
Okay, so only one of them comes pre-charged. Oh, there you go.
You don't even have to hold. You didn't even have to hold it.
I didn't hold it. I just pressed it.
That's honestly, we just pressed it and turned it on. We're gonna try out the camera and stuff. We're saying hello. Oh my god.
Alright, so we setting it up. English. United States. And we're gonna set it up manually, cause we know what the fuck we doing.
What the fuck going on?
We're gonna set up that Wi-Fi. Y'all can't have my Wi-Fi password, so I'm gonna turn it back around.
Yeah.
Face ID. Uh-oh. Continue.
That's what the 10
First, position your face in the camera frame.
Okay, y'all. We're taking our face IDs. First, position your face in front of the camera frame, then move your head in a circle to show all the angles of your face.
Oh, it's like doing a little thing too. we're gonna set it up as a new iPhone.
Is that what we're doing?
That's
I'm just
what I'm
following
doing.
the leader. I don't know my app.
Apple ID. Watch
Why
your
do they
mouth.
make this so hard?
Glad we finally got some new fucking chargers in this bitch.
It's like nothing's holding it on there. Okay. I really like that basically the whole entire screen is like the front of the phone.
I'm feeling like it with my face. Y'all ready?
Let me try.
Little
Chargers.
piece. They don't give you the little piece this time?
What little piece?
The little
Extender phone.
the little adapter piece.
Damn, now we finna try out this camera though. Oh shit. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna put like, you know, I'm gonna put me on the screen, like in the thing. Look at us, Jordan.
Hey, that's 4K front camera, y'all.
My video's quality finna go up, okay?
Hey, it's got a portrait on the front camera now.
Oh my fucking
Look at that,
god.
look at that, look at that. Portrait on the front camera now. Yeah. Yeah. That way.
Oh my god. What else are we doing on here? Let's take a picture. Oh, I need a
Pop socket or something.
Okay, so we're gonna do the outro though. There's probably so much more cool new stuff that we are not talking about right now, but we're finna get off here and obviously play on our new phones. Yeah, you can make your, it's like Bitmoji.
Yeah.
Basically, it's gonna get some getting used to because it does not have a home button. How do I go home? How do I go home? How do I go home?
Swipe up.
I was swiping down. Okay, this might have been the most boring video ever,
But she cute, so it's okay.
yeah. And we were just excited about our new phone, so make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch y'all in my next video.
On the flip side. My tongue blew.
Oh, snap.
Damn. Now when you call me doo-doo head, it's for real.
Ew. They have a chicken. So the phone's so reflective, you can see. No, it's not as cool as I thought. Look at its little tongue.
I look like the Mask, Jim Carrey.
Yeah, they really. Move your teeth side to side.
Can't.
Like this.